Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to add links on Google Sheets. So here's a step-by-step guide on how to add links on Google Sheets. Open your Google Sheet and open the spreadsheet where you want to add links. Then select the cell for the link. Okay, I'm going to select this cell here. So click on the cell where you want to insert the hyperlink, which of course we've done here. Then the first method is to right-click on the cell. And once you right click on the cell, select insert link. And once you select insert link from the context menu, you can now, of course, paste the link that you want. So paste the link that you want and click on apply. And that link is going to be added there. The next step is to go to the insert menu. So go to insert menu, and which is at the top, and select link from here and add your link and click on apply. So the next step is to use shortcut, which is Control K. So you can use Control K and it's going to apply. So paste your link and click on apply. So in the pop window where you get that from using any of the steps, just enter the URL web address you want the link to be provided, and by default it says content to be used as the link content. So you can change this text if desired, and once you're done, go ahead and click on apply. That this step is for you to add a hyperlink. You can put that on a new text. You can add a link on an existing text, just for example this 17, and I just go ahead and right click and I click on insert link and I insert the link that I want. It's going to be, let's say this is the link that I want, and you see that this is the link now, and the link has been added to 17, and this is a hyperlink. So if I click on that 17, it takes me to the link itself. So you can also add links to other sheets or ranges. All right, and how do you do that? Just go ahead and select the cell. Select the cell where you want to create the link. All right, click on the cell and select insert link. Then in the link dialog, click on the sheet in the spreadsheet, which is sheet and name ranges. Just click on the sheet, and once you click on the sheet, you want to link and specify a range if needed, and go ahead and click on apply, but I don't want to do that. So that's pretty much the process. That is how you can add links to Google Sheets. Now, these steps will help you to add and manage hyperlinks in your Google Sheets, linking to websites, other sheets, or files. So you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.